Mr. Bashir, a hobby gardener in Dhaka, Bangladesh, saw excellent results using biosoil and bioplant in his balcony garden, achieving healthy, chemical-free plant growth and high yields. Encouraged by the results, he also applied the products to his flowering plants, which responded with vibrant growth and blooms. Mr. Bashir believes biosoil products could greatly benefit farmers nationwide. Notably, the government of Bangladesh is actively progressing toward recognizing biostimulants in agricultural regulations, which will soon allow for the official registration of biosoil and bioplant in the country.
Hi, this is Bashir, living in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Plantation and gardening is my hobby. Every year I grow some winter vegetables like tomatoes, brinjals, coriander leaves, green chilies in my balcony tub. I use granule fertilizer, cow dung, vermicompost in the tub as required to prepare soil. But this year I use vermicompost and sandy dough soil for soil preparation of the tub. Then I sprayed biosoils on the soil according to its user advice and plant the seedlings after 7 days. 3 weeks after planting, before flowering, I sprayed bioplants as per instructions. Apart from that, I did not use any other fertilizer or pesticides. All my plants have flowered profusely and several plants have started producing amazing fruit, which is truly incredible. For the first time, I test biosoils products experimentally. The health, freshness, color of the plants that have produced are excellent. Here are the results. The response of biosoil application to plants is undoubtedly remarkable compared to the conventional application of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Apart from vegetables, I also have several flower plants. After seeing the wonderful yield of vegetables, I am doing the same experiment on them too, hoping for the similar results. I can say without a doubt that this will benefit the farmers of the country as well as the entire country, and will benefit and arable soil and environment of the country by reducing the use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, and will also help to reduce the cost of agriculture at a significant rate. I wish the success of the biosoils product and strongly believe that the Bangladesh government will quickly approve the commercial application in this country after realizing the need. Thank you for watching this video.